In the past few months, life has been pretty hectic. Juggling around college, gym, and work, all whilst making videos on the side, had taken a toll on me to the point I started asking, everything that I'm doing right now, will it even be worth it? Yeah, well, I don't know, man. Hi, अभी सुबह के 4 बज रहे हैं. I started waking up around 4:15ish since my India exams are finished. Well, मैं सुबह 4 बजे तो उठता हूँ, but my actual day starts at 5. So this 1 hour is just me prepping for the day. There's literally no one on the road, भाई. That's my favorite thing about 5. सिर्फ silence, कोई फालतू का हॉर्न नहीं, कोई फालतू के लोग नहीं. अभी let's head for the gym. So the first thing I experienced, I learned after waking up regularly at 5 a.m. Regularly at 5 a.m. तुम्हें ज़्यादा time की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You just need more control over your time. If you can't delegate your work, if you can't prioritize your task, you will feel the lack of time. It's very natural to think कि we can do everything फट, but ऐसा नहीं है. Life just doesn't work that way. क्या ले गया? It's not the first time कि मैं जल्दी जिम आ रहा हूँ. जब मैंने वर्कआउट करना शुरू ही करा था 1.5 years back, I used to work out at 4 in the morning. So yeah, I know the importance of having control over your time. मेरे बाल इग्नोर करना, I know बहुत बेकार हो रहे हैं. कोई टाइम नहीं मिला यार. People don't understand कि तुम्हारे environment, तुम्हारी surroundings का कितना ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ता है तुम्हारी personality और तुम्हारे discipline पे. And trust me when I say this, start working, living with people who have the same mindset as the person you want to become. Because discipline is mostly environment. So the first thing I do before starting my workout is stretching, because obviously you don't want injuries. Then I move on to calisthenics, जो कि अभी होल्ड पे है या फिर बहुत ही कम है, क्योंकि I don't want my shoulder to get worse. Then I move on to lifting weights, be it weighted calisthenics or gym stuff. Last week I did 160. I know मेरे बॉडी वेट के हिसाब से मेरी डेट काफ़ी कम है, because I don't really focus on it. मेरा अभी मेन गोल है कि मैं अपना शो इंजरी सारी सही करूँ, ऑब्वियसली गेन स्ट्रेंथ एंड गेन मसल साइज. भाई कब तक पतला रहूँ. लेट मी शो यू द एक्सरसाइज जिससे एक्चुअली मेरे शोल्डर इरिटेशन हुआ था. किसी नॉर्मल बंदे को करते हुए देखोगे, प्लांस पोजीशन पूरी रह के तुम्हारी सिर्फ स्कैपुला जो है प्रोट्रैक्ट करके दीवार पे टिका के रखनी है, एंड देन यू फ्रंट रेस. और मैंने इतना ज़्यादा ओवर ट्रेन कर लिया था अपने फ्रंट लेग को कि मेरा रोटेटर कब से उतरा. Got done with the session. You know, the best thing about waking up early, is number one is you get some tasks done early in the day. तुम्हारे पास और ज्यादा काफी टाइम होता है बाकी टास्क निपटाने का. एंड नंबर टू, टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेवल्स तुम्हारे पीक पे रहते हैं मॉर्निंग के टाइम. तो अगर तुम वर्कआउट से पहले ऑलरेडी एक मील खा चुके हो तो तुम्हारी वर्कआउट की क्वालिटी और ज्यादा बेटर हो जाती है. प्लस 5 से 10 का जो टाइम है वो मेरा टाइम है, एंड आई कैन डू एनीथिंग विद इट. लेकिन उसके बाद इट्स जस्ट वर्क. Since it's Saturday, I don't have so much work to do, and abhi I don't know. I might just play some games. And that brings me to my third point. The more I started taking control over my time, the more I realized that how much time we waste during the day, during the day. And most of us use the same excuse that we are busy. Honestly, the problem is this hustle culture that created a persona that we're supposed to be busy all the time. Long hour works, little rest, always chasing something. And while we're busy doing that, we tend to forget that there's a life we're supposed to live. और कुछ चीज़ों की वजह से I've decided not to take life so seriously, but also serious enough to not get left behind and level up my skills simultaneously. Now this might be the end of the video, but I still have a plan to run tonight. You might have already seen it अगर मैं upload कर चुका हूँ तो. So for my mental peace, I like to look at life as a video game or a web series or both. Yeah, so let's do it. This day, today, marks.
Oh no, it's not alright. Remember